The National Weather Service in Amarillo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Wheeler County, northern Gray County, eastern Roberts County, Hemphill County, until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles southeast of Codman, or 10 miles south of Miami, moving north at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to roofs, siding, and trees is possible. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Pampa, Canadian, Miami, Briscoe, Wheeler, LaForce, New Mobeetie, Glazer, Lake Marvin, Kellerville, Laura, Codman, and Mobeetie. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas: Gray, Hemphill, Roberts, and Wheeler.
This message from the Emergency Alert System is now concluded. From WeatherScan 24/7 online radio.